photograph here, just.
States
Okay.
most high school. Thank you, Holy Father, for calling us this audience. Asian team T-shirt.
Oh, right.
And
Very nice.
very nice. And
Italy's not going, Peru's not going, so maybe I can be a fan of Haiti.
thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, and I think that would be a great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Holy.
This is a bronze sculpture representing Fratelli Tutti. We are all brothers and sisters. Taken from that topic, which is so important for Pope Francis. And this is a photographic album of the Apostolic Palace here. Many works of art and the architect